Hello and welcome to Dark CSS 2-Minute Project series. In today's video, I will show you how to build a simple password string checker using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This project displays a message when the password is weak, medium or strong and also changes the input border color accordingly. Let's start with HTML. We have a simple structure. Inside the body, there is a div with class container. It contains an input field and a div just below it to display the message. In CSS, we have styled the body to center everything using flexbox. The input has padding, border, and smooth transition effects. Then we have defined three classes, weak, medium, and strong. Each class changes the border and text color, red for weak, gold for medium, green for strong. Now, the real magic happens in JavaScript. We started by selecting the input field and message div using getElement by ID. Then we add an event listener at the input field that triggers every time the user types. Inside it, we call a function calculate strength with current password and then update the UI. Let's break down string logic. If the password is empty, we return 0. If it's less than 6 characters, we make it weak. Then we increase the strength score based on the following conditions. Contains uppercase letters, contains numbers, contains special characters. Bonus point if the password is longer than 12 characters. We finally kept the strength between 1 and 3 using max_min function. Then in update UI function, we remove all previous classes and add right class and text based on the final score. 1 for weak, 2 for medium, 3 for strong. The result updates in real time and the user types. And that's it. A clean password string checker in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mini projects. Thanks.